Hello and welcome to PSL Disky Media. The 2026 World Cup draw has been confirmed. There are 12 groups for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, where the drawing was done on Friday during a fancy evening in Washington, D.C. The United States of America, Mexico, and Canada will host the tournament next year between 11 June and 19 July. And for the first time in the history of the World Cup, 9 African teams have qualified. Potentially even 10 if DR Congo win the Intercontinental Playoffs in March. It will be the first 48-team World Cup with 12 groups of 4 teams drawn on Friday. And Bafana have learned who they are going to play in Group A. Drawn into Group A with Mexico, South Korea, and one of the teams that will win in the playoffs between Denmark, North Macedonia, Czech Republic, or Republic of Ireland. Now remember, the last time Bafana played the World Cup, they played against Mexico in South Africa. And now the wheels have turned once again and they will be playing Mexico in Mexico. That's wonderful. Here are all the other groups of this World Cup. And in Group B is Canada, Qatar, Switzerland, and one of the following teams that will qualify: Italy, Northern Ireland, Wales, or Bosnia and Herzegovina. Group C, Brazil, Morocco, Haiti, and Scotland. Group D, USA, Paraguay, Australia, and either Turkey, Romania, Slovakia, and Kosovo. Group E, Germany, Curacao, Ivory Coast, Ecuador. Group F, Netherlands, Japan, Tunisia, and either Ukraine, Sweden, Poland, or Albania. Group G, Belgium, Egypt, Iran, New Zealand. Group H, Spain, Cape Verde, Saudi Arabia, and Uruguay. Group I, France, Senegal, Norway, and either Iraq, Bolivia, or Suriname. Group J, Argentina, Algeria, Austria, and Jordan. Group K, Portugal, Uzbekistan, Colombia, and either DR Congo, Jamaica, or New Caledonia. Group L, England, Croatia, Ghana, and Panama. So those are all the groups of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Group A, where South Africa has been drawn against Mexico, South Korea, and also either Denmark, North Macedonia, Czech Republic, or Republic of Ireland? Do you think this is a good group, and do you think that Bafana might be able to get out of this group? Remember, in these groups, third best ranked teams in the group will also be able to qualify for the next round, which will be the round of 16 of this World Cup. So are you confident that Hugo Brossman will be able to get out of the group? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Now that's the end of the news for today. See you next time.